Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's January 22nd. Getting closer to our conference. This weekend, we've got our big conference held here in Crystal Lake, Illinois. We still have some seats available for those of you that are able to make that. Give us a call. We'll get you registered. But as far as the grains today, corn up about a penny. So pretty quiet day overall for corn. Beans, though, some excitement, up 22.5 cents. So a little bit friendlier. You got some, maybe a little friendly momentum from the northern part of Brazil. Right now it's too wet, slowing down some harvest. But as you get into more of the southern areas, and you get into Argentina, still looking at dry weather. So over the next 10 days, looking for some, maybe a little bit of intermittent rain, but nothing to give any relief, really. So that's starting to be a concern and really getting this market hyped up. So continue watching these forecasts for beans. If we're going to continue to be dry, we're going to continue to rally. So we did work above some technical resistance areas today, but failed to close above them. But we'll see if it's dry again tomorrow. They may try to take a run at them again. But as far as wheat, a little different story. So down about 12 cents for wheat. We did take out some support, took out last week's lows, and down we went. So a little bit of a technical sell-off here for wheat. And found some pressure from that here today. The dollar down about 16 cents, but crude oil up about 65 today, 96.24 a barrel. That's continuing the strength that we've seen. That's got this path of least resistance still higher at this point and continuing to push prices up, so toward that $100 level. And that's where our next resistance stands as far as crude oil. But cattle, a little bit bigger story out today. We know we've seen this more than an $8 slide for cattle over the last few weeks, and finally getting some positive news. There was a story out this morning that Japan's going to relax their U.S. beef standards here in February, and got the market excited. Fat cattle up about $1. April's up about 80 cents. So finding a little bit of recovery here after this drastic loss that we've seen over the last several weeks. Box beef, though, coming in, trying to support things a little bit. Choice up 89 cents. Select up $1.78 right now, or at least as of this morning. So that's helping continue with more positive pricing for cattle, but we'll see if we can carry that throughout the week. As far as hogs, about 40 cents higher today. We see this back and forth trade for hogs. That's still going to be here as far as futures. But the cash market's remaining strong. Still seeing that jump up. You got the cash market right now higher than these futures, so there needs to be some adjustment here at some point. But we've got some technical resistance on these February hogs at that 86.30 level. That's last week's highs. If we can get above that, could see another sharp run for hogs. But cash markets are leading the way here at this point. So once again, want to remind you guys of our conference. Not too late to get registered for that. Give us a call. Be glad to help you out there. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.